how to clear a jammed DeWALT staple gun. So first look here, make sure you have staples in. Then check here to see if there's any staples jammed. If there is, what we want to do is open it up, tap it down like that to take any staples out, and you should see at the end here with the heavy duty DeWALT staple gun, it's very easy to access where the staples fire from. Check here, and if there's any staples, they're normally bent across like that. Get a pair of long nose pliers, pinch the staple and pull it out. Very easy to access it here. Also bring this forward and make sure no staples are jammed down here. If there is, a long nose pair of pliers should help pinch the staple and get it out. And then re-enter your staples, close it up, and hopefully that helps you fix any jams that you have with your heavy duty staple gun. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.